Filming a media project is one of the best things you can do in high school because it frees you up for so many options, and the basic cover shots are the backbone of any media project. They're very important. And using what you're going to learn today will help you be able to film your own personal project. The master shot is the most important of the basic coverage shots and should always be filmed first. In the master shot, the camera should be able to see all of the scene's important features, including characters. Once the camera is filming, it should not be moved from its starting location during the same shot. This is a character's coverage shot. Even though the entire scene was filmed in the master shot, it must be filmed again in each of the coverage shots. Notice how the other character can't be seen. This is because every acting character in the scene gets a character coverage shot. This is an example of an insert shot, the last basic coverage shot. Unlike character coverage shots, the entire scene doesn't need to be filmed again when doing an insert shot. Additionally, insert shots should be a close-up of an important item in the scene and should only last a few seconds. Hopefully with all of this knowledge, you can begin to film your own personal videos. Best of luck in your future project.